Avalanche value equivalent to 1,1960 rands a coin. The present cost range 993.35 1,036.09. The earlier day close 1,609. The change was plus 13.51, plus 134%. Reverse rate ZAR to Avax. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at 815 rands. Excessive cost 1,011, while low cost 815. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 897. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 945, change for July 16%. Avalanche figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 945 rands. Excessive cost 1,973, while low cost 945. The found the middle value of cost 1,040. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1,096, change for August 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 1,096 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,360, while low cost 1,096. The found the middle value of cost 1,206. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1,271, change for September 16%. Avalanche estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 1,271 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,271, while low cost 1,296. The found the middle value of cost 1,204. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1,179, change for October 72%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 1,79 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,282, while low cost 1,114. The found the middle value of cost 1,193. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1,198, change for November 16%. Avalanche gauge for December 2024. To start with cost at 1,198 rands. Excessive cost 1,198, while low cost 1,042. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,140. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1,120, change for December 65%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 1,120 rands. Excessive cost 1,120, while low cost 915. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,035. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 984, change for January 1%. Avalanche estimate for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 984 rands. Exorbitant cost 984, while low cost 815. The found the middle value of cost 915. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 876, change for February 11%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at 876 rands. Exorbitant cost 930, while low cost 808. The found the middle value of cost 871. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 869, change for spring 8%. Avalanche figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at 869 rands. Excessive cost 936, while low cost 814. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 874. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 875, change for April's 7%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at 875 rands. Exorbitant cost 875, while low cost 743. The found the middle value of cost 823. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 799, change for May 7%. Avalanche gauge for June 2025. To start with cost at 799 rands. Exorbitant cost 992, while low cost 799. The found the middle value of cost 879. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 927, change for June 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at 927 rands. Excessive cost 1,008, while low cost 876. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 938. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 942, change for July 16%. Avalanche conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at 942 rands. Exorbitant cost 24, while low cost 890. The found the middle value of cost 953. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 957, change for August 1 6%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 957 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,160, while low cost 957. The found the middle value of cost 1,040. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1,084, change for September 13%. Avalanche estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 1,084 rands. Excessive cost 1,006, while low cost 962. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,047. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1,034, change for October 6%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 1,034 rands. Excessive cost 1,025, while low cost 977. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,047. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1,051, change for November 6%. Avalanche conjecture for December 2025. Before all else cost at 1,051 rands. Excessive cost 1,304, while low cost 1,051. The found the middle value of cost 1,156. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1,219, change for December 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at 1,219 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,326, while low cost 1,152. The found the middle value of cost 1,234. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1,239, change for January 6%. Avalanche figure for February 2026. Before all else cost at 1,239 rands. Excessive cost 1,347, while low cost 1,171. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,254. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1,259, change for February 6%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 1,259 rands. Excessive cost 1,369, while low cost 1,189. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,274. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1,279, change for spring 6%. Avalanche conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 1,279 rands. Excessive cost 1,421, while low cost 1,235. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,316. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1,328, change for April 38%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at 1,328 rands. Excessive cost 1,648, while low cost 1,328. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,461. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1,540.